my name is Conor Garrett. I'm Director of Site Strategy and Engagement at Scout Clinical, and I am based in Europe, in Amsterdam. What we do, I suppose, on a daily basis is reach out to sites that we are contracted with, sites that are looking for support for the resources that we can offer, listen to their feedback and really try and address their concerns, along with trying to support them potentially with the studies that we are contracted with. One of the questions that we would get on a regular basis is who is Scout? Scout Clinical is a service available to sites and patients that offer patient reimbursement services and patient travel services, meaning that if a patient presents themselves at a clinical trial, we will be able to process reimbursements through the receipts that they have paid themselves, or alternatively, we can provide travel assistance on behalf of the patient, meaning that it removes the financial burden from the patient and the headache from having to arrange these travel arrangements before their scheduled visit. Building trust and making the technology feel effortless is obviously a key thing for us. Sites need these tools and they need them to integrate smoothly into their own workflow. So it's important that we educate the sites in terms of what sort of services we offer and how these processes are going to be implemented into their day-to-day activities, so that they need to basically feel heard throughout the process. I feel that silence is almost deafening in this aspect. We would always encourage our sites to provide us feedback and let us know how they're getting on. And that is definitely the message that we are sending out to our sites, is in order for us to improve in aspects of the portal or a patient liaison team, or how our discussions are had with our clients, feedback is a key thing. But I feel that sites definitely are looking for the resources that we are offering and the services that we are offering, but from my experience, it seems that many sites just don't have the time to look into those resources that are available to them, just because they're too involved in the day-to-day activities of running a site and running clinical trials. So from my experience, that's we hear all the time that this is what we need, but we don't know where to even start. I was recently at SERS Latin America, and I had a huge number of people saying that they need, reimbursement services. They also need travel services, and it was just about kind of educating them and advising them that there are options out there.